Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is working hours debate. First of all, let's see why it is in the news. Despite India's labour laws defining clear limits on working hours, overwork remains a persistent issue for many employees, especially in urban regions. The implementation of new labour codes, coupled with controversial remarks from business leaders supporting extended work hours, has further fueled the ongoing debate on work-life balance. Now let's discuss about culture of overwork in India. India, home to the world's largest youth population, is also home to the largest skilled and unskilled workforce. In India, the working hours are set for employees as per its labour laws, which apply to both skilled and unskilled workers. The Factories Act 1948 limits daily working hours to a maximum of 9 hours and weekly hours to 48. Despite that, the Indian workforce is suffering because as per International Labour Organization data, 50.5% of individuals worked 49 hours or more per week. India is among the top nations with the highest number of deaths caused by overtime at work, according to a joint study by the World Health Organization and the International Labour Organization. Now let's talk about labour laws in India. The Factories Act 1948 regulates the health, safety, and working conditions of employees in factories. It caps weekly working hours at 48, mandates rest intervals, and provides for paid annual leave after 240 days of work. The Minimum Wages Act 1948 ensures a minimum wage for workers, set by the government based on region and industry. Employers must adhere to these rates to prevent exploitation. The Payment of Wages Act 1936 guarantees timely wage payments to workers, typically by the 7th or 10th of the following month, depending on the establishment size. The Maternity Benefit Act 1961, updated in 2017, grants female employees 6 months of fully paid maternity leave and additional leave in cases of miscarriage or medical termination of pregnancy. Now lastly, moving on to what do India's 4 new labour codes say? In 2019 and 2020, the Indian Parliament passed 4 new labour codes to simplify and consolidate 44 existing labour laws. The 4 new labour codes of India are Industrial Relations Code 2020, Code on Social Security 2020, Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, Code on Wages 2019. These proposed changes to working hours and conditions. These codes suggest a maximum working day of 12 hours, allowing for a 4-day work week with extended daily hours, while maintaining the weekly working hour limit at 48 hours. However, these new codes are yet to be fully implemented. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Factories Act 1948. 1. The Factories Act 1948 regulates the health, safety, and working conditions of employees in factories. 2. It caps weekly working hours at 60. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.